purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to draw out the different sections of your civilization map. First, let's take a look at the ruler. We are going to measure in inches and not in centimeters. Make sure you are looking at the inches side of the ruler. Also look at where the 0 is on your ruler. On this ruler, the 0 is not at the very edge of the ruler, it's right here. So when we line this up on the paper, we want to make sure that we line up this mark that's at the 0 at the very edge. Now I'm going to talk about the paper that you have. And this paper is 11 inches wide and 17 inches long. The first section of soil we will draw is for clay. This section measures 6 inches by 11 inches. We know that the width of the paper is 11 inches, so we just need to measure the length. And I'm going to place my ruler at the very edge here and make sure my 0 is lined up with the edge, and I'm about an inch down from the top of the page. I'm over to the 6 and I'm going to make a little dot. Then I'm going to move my ruler down and again line up that 0 with the edge of my paper, go over to 6 inches and make a second dot. Now I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to connect the 2 dots from the top of the page to the bottom of the page with a line running through those 2 dots. And this gives me my first section, which is 11 inches by 6 inches. And this is for clay, so I'll mark that clay. My second section of land is for loam, and it measures 4 inches by 11 inches. Since we already know this is 11 inches wide, just like the clay was, I'm going to put my ruler here at the line that we drew for clay, and that's my starting point for loam. Make sure my 0 is lined up. I'm about an inch down from the top of the page, and I'm going to mark 4 inches. Then I will do the same thing. I'll go down towards the bottom of the page, line up my 0, make a mark at 4 inches. And then I'm going to put my ruler vertically and run a line through the 2 dots.